It is restaurant review time, and if you're ever up in Midway, Utah, and you're looking for a yummy place to eat, we stopped off at Lola's, and I went with the steak salad. The rest of my family went with burgers. They had some garlic fries, they had some plain fries. I will let my family tell you what they thought of their meal.
So we're at Lola's, and I got the burger, and it tastes good. There's like some white sauce in it, like right there, and the garlic french fries are really good too. My mom has the garlic french fries. She can tell you about those. I got the same thing as my brother. Actually, really good. The garlic french fries, yeah, I think 5 stars.
5 stars. And I went with the steak salad, and I'd have to give it 5 stars too. I really like it. It's delicious. And everyone got burgers.
Yeah, same one.
5 stars.